This is an antique Singer model 1530 with Sphinx decals. Serial number is B33158, which dates it to 1904. The decals have some wear, but the machine's been serviced and is completely functional. And the base it's in does not come with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes, so I can run the machine at full speed. And just to show you what stitches, I got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. Trying to do this without knocking into the camera. That was that red from the top side that looped over. It's not a mistake here. This is, that was just the end that was tucked under, but there you can see it's got equal stitch, and there you have it.